Greetings, my beautiful African people. Today's date is May the 3rd, 2025. I'm coming to the African continent and the diaspora with this topic. Africans must reclaim Africa for the benefit of future generations. Again, Africans must reclaim Africa for the benefit of future generations. About 3-4 months ago, I did a topic, the top 10 Uncle Tom Negros who want to take Africa away from the African people. And on my top 10 list was a Negro named Michael Langley. Just recently, I heard this Uncle Tom testifying before the Senate that our president, President Abraham Traore, is using money to protect himself. Yes, clown, he must do that. If you want to kill him, he must protect himself, Negro. So we all for Traore. Traore, use as much money as you possibly can to protect yourself, because you are going to lead Africa in a new direction. In a new direction. The enemies of Africa is envious of you. And you are going to stand tall, and we are going to stand with you. We can stand behind you. We can support you to make Africa what Africa is supposed to be. If you look back at Europe, United States, Canada, and all those first world countries, look at those streets. Paved, nice roads. Look at Africa. Every street is dusty, dirty. And it's not that because that we cannot afford to make ourselves better. It is because that we have elected bad leaders that have kept us down, just interested in their families and the wicked ones that live in these first world countries. So I'm calling on the armies and the security systems of these countries. We must dethrone these puppets. We must get rid of them. Make the youth responsible. Bring the youth that will bring Africa into new lights. Just recently, I was in Southern Africa, and I did a talk down there. And I said that the elders must pass the baton to the youth who would change Africa forever. We've seen it happening in Burkina Faso. And we need to see this happening all over Africa. The puppets like the one in Kenya, the one in Ivory Coast, the one in South Africa, and those are all over Africa. We must get rid of those puppets. We must change Africa forever. We have been deported 400 years ago, and to this day, we can't walk back into Africa and get a citizenship as Africans. But you can see these white people from Europe, these Asians could come and get citizenship. And the true Africans that belongs to the soil cannot get citizenship. We got to change that trajectory. We must change the direction Africa is going in. We must be whole Africa for Africans and no other people. So wake up, Africa. Let us support our brother Traore. Let us support him in every way, financially, security, and any way possible that we can support our brother. We must support him because he is the one that's going to lead us in a new direction. He is our modern day King David. Thank you. May the Most High bless.
Maboma bombombo iko yele maboma Mabombo igwe. Yeah, maboma. Oh Africa, oh Africa, oh Africa, oh Africa. Yeah. Diaspora, come back home, come back to Africa. Africa's love you. Diaspora, come back to Africa. Africa's love you. Africa's need you. Come back to Africa. Oh Africa. Oh Africa. Mabombo igwe. Yele mabomba. Wayaya mwanyusilise. Yele wayaya. Come back home, come back nyumbani Africa.
Come back from America.
Yeah, come back from Caribbean.
Come back from Jamaica. Come back from South America. Come back from Central America. Come back home. Africa is your home. Africa is calling you. Let's come back home.
We love you. Hakuna matata, usiwe na mashaka. Hakuna matata, usiwe na mashaka. This means no worry for the rest of your days.
You have built America.
Yeah.
You have built the Caribbean.
Sure.
You have built everywhere else. Let's build Africa. Come home to Africa. Africa is your home. Diaspora, come home, come home. Come home to Mother Africa. She is your home. This is your home. This is your land. Come home.
No. Tira dam dam da. 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 Oh Africa,
Mother Africa.
Mother Africa.
Come back home, diaspora.
Apache no. Apache no. Apache no. This is your land. This one is loving you. Yeah, come back home, diaspora.
Amen.